welcome back to Car Alerts. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 marks another chapter in Mazda's mission to merge accessible performance, refined styling, and upscale interiors in the compact SUV segment. With competitors constantly evolving, Mazda didn't just settle for minor tweaks in this new iteration. Instead, it subtly reshaped one of its most popular models into something even more harmonious, more engaging, and more refined, without breaking the formula that's made the CX-5 such a staple among crossover buyers. Let's begin by stepping up to the front of the new CX-5, where we immediately see Mazda's commitment to elegant minimalism at work. The front fascia has undergone a modest but effective redesign, with the grille now featuring a three-dimensional mesh pattern that adds a sense of depth and sophistication. The chrome accents have been slimmed down and now frame the grille in a more elegant arc that flows into the LED headlight. Speaking of those lights, the 2025 model brings sharper, narrower lighting elements with adaptive technology, not only enhancing visibility at night but also giving the car a more focused, aggressive demeanor. The hood has been slightly reshaped, with more pronounced creases that flow back into the A-pillars, giving the impression of motion even at a standstill. The sculpted bumper and sleek air inlets on either side tie everything together for a clean yet assertive face. Moving along the side, the CX-5 carries a profile that's unmistakably Mazda. Graceful, flowing, and almost coupe-like despite being a practical SUV. The designers have slightly revised the character lines to make the side view look more planted and muscular. There's a stronger shoulder line that travels from the headlights through the fenders and down into the taillights, creating a continuous sense of flow. The side mirrors are body-colored and aerodynamically shaped, now housing improved blind spot detection sensors. Door handles have been streamlined, and subtle use of chrome trim along the window line adds a premium touch without feeling overdone. Depending on the trim, you'll see new alloy wheel designs ranging from 17 to 20 inches, each with a sharper spoke layout that contributes to both form and function, enhancing brake cooling and reducing drag. The overall height and ground clearance remains similar to the outgoing model, giving drivers a good balance between city maneuverability and weekend trail CP-ability. Swinging around to the rear, the CX-5 finishes strong with a rear design that's both elegant and sporty. The LED taillights have been reconfigured with a more modern, circular lighting signature, a subtle nod to Mazda's Kodo design language. The tailgate now features a more contoured surface that picks up on the curves from the side panels, making it look sculpted rather than flat. A small roof spoiler adds a bit of aerodynamic flair, while the rear bumper integrates chrome-tipped dual exhaust outlets that hint at the SUV's performance potential. The rear wiper is now tucked up under the spoiler, giving the rear glass a cleaner look. Mazda has also improved the functionality here. Power tailgate operation is smoother and faster, and higher trims include hands-free access. Overall, the rear design is more cohesive than ever, giving off the impression that every angle of this vehicle was considered with care and precision. Interior: step inside the cabin and you're met with a space that continues Mazda's trend toward premium, driver-focused interiors. The 2025 CX-5 now features higher-grade materials across all trim levels. Even the base model comes with soft-touch surfaces and a redesigned dashboard layout that emphasizes horizontal lines for a wider, more spacious feel. The center console has been raised slightly for easier access to the gear selector and controls, while the infotainment screen now measures 12.3 inches and sits elegantly atop the dash like a piece of modern tech sculpture. It's operated primarily through Mazda's intuitive rotary dial system, but touch capability has been added when the vehicle is stationary for added convenience. The steering wheel has been updated with a flatter bottom and more ergonomic thumb grips, giving it a sportier feel without sacrificing comfort. Behind it sits a partially digital instrument cluster that offers crisp animations and customizable readouts depending on drive mode and driver preference. Seating in the CX-5 is exceptional, supportive, nicely bolstered, and now available with both heated and ventilated options for the front and rear passengers in higher trims. Premium trims get quilted Napa leather upholstery, real wood accents, and ambient lighting that gives the interior a warm, inviting glow during nighttime driving. Rear seat space remains generous for the class with ample headroom and legroom for adult passengers. The rear bench folds 40/20/40, adding flexibility for carrying cargo and passengers simultaneously. Cargo space behind the second row comes in at just under 31 cubic feet, expanding to over 59 with the seats down. A new dual-floor storage system allows for deeper storage or a flat load floor, depending on your needs. From a tech perspective, Mazda has brought its A-game. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with integrated navigation on higher trims. The available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system is tailored specifically to the CX-5's cabin acoustics, delivering rich, balanced audio whether you're listening to classical music or your favorite podcast. Multiple USB-C charging ports and a wireless charging pad are now standard in most trims, and the system includes over-the-air update capabilities to keep everything current. Performance under the hood. The 2025 CX-5 continues to offer two core engine options. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-4, producing around 187 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque. It's paired to a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission that replaces last year's 6-speed, improving both acceleration and fuel efficiency. The upgraded engine, available in the turbo trims, is a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, putting out up to 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when running on premium fuel. On regular gas, it's still plenty potent, with a slight reduction in peak numbers, but no noticeable sacrifice in real-world performance. Both powertrains come standard with Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system, which continuously monitors wheel slip, throttle input, and steering angle to distribute torque where it's needed most. The result is a crossover that doesn't just handle bad weather with confidence, but also carves corners with surprising agility. The suspension has been retuned for 2025 with improved damping and revised spring rates that strike a better balance between comfort and road feel. In terms of safety, Mazda includes its iActive Sense suite of features as standard across all trims. That means adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert all come baked in. A new 360-degree camera system has been added on higher trims and now includes a see-through view to help navigate tight parking spots or trail obstacles. The CX-5 also gets an updated driver attention monitoring system and traffic jam assist, which can take over steering and braking duties in stop-and-go situations under 40 mph. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains competitive, with the base S-Select trim starting just under $30,000. 0 cents. From there you can move up through a variety of trims, including the Preferred, Premium, and the Well-and-Made Premium Plus, which sits around the $36.00 mark. The Turbo trims start in the upper $30.00 range and top out with the Turbo Signature model, which pushes close to $41.00 fully loaded. Considering the level of refinement, features, and performance, Mazda continues to undercut many luxury-branded competitors while offering a similar, if not better, driving experience. Thanks for watching this in-depth review here on Car Alerts. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Mazda CX-5, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of Mazda's latest update. Are you impressed? Or is there something more you'd like to see from the brand in the future? Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.